When you hear typing jobs, you are probably thinking of boring data entry that pays 5 naira per minute. But what if I told you there are simple typing jobs that pay $100 per day? And that is 3,000 USD a month. The truth is, the low-paying typing jobs are dead. The money is now in specialized typing that tech companies and legal firms desperately need. Today, I'm giving you the Logic Income 5-side blueprint. We will cover the 2 high-value typing niches and the 5 websites hiring Africans right now in 2026. Hit the like button if you want to quit low-pay data entry and subscribe for more logical remote job strategies. The first niche that actually justifies the $100 per day goal is transcription. Turning audio or video into text. You are not just a typist, you are a linguistic specialist. Companies need legal and medical transcription, and the pay is high, up to $40 per audio hour, because the work needs near perfect accuracy and confidentiality. So website number 1, we have GoTranscript. And guys, GoTranscript is one of the most reliable companies that actively hires transcribers worldwide, including beginners. They pay competitively and offer work across many languages. You must pass a simple grammar and transcription test, so you want to focus on mastering that test. And they also offer bonus income opportunities with data labeling projects. Alright, so guys, do you want to go to GoTranscript.com to actually get started? For site number 2, we have TranscribeMe. So guys, this is excellent for beginners because they transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, which is less overwhelming than long interviews, and they hire worldwide and they pay via PayPal. Alright, so TranscribeMe offer promotion opportunities, and once you gain experience, you can move to higher paying special teams, which earn up to $60 to $70 per audio hour, and that is how you smash the $100 per day goal. Alright, so the second simpler but highly lucrative typing job is data annotation. You are essentially typing labels, descriptions and categories to train artificial intelligence. So tech companies pay thousands for this data and you get paid to type it. So at site number 3, we have TELUS International. And guys, you can simply go to telusdigital.com/careers to actually get started. And you can also check out LSC. So you want to go to lsc.ai/jobs to actually get access. So guys, these companies are giant in the AI training industry. They continuously hire for data annotation and AI trainer roles globally. They pay weekly and often offer flexible work schedules. So guys, the tasks right here are often simple typing and also labeling, but the pay is equitable globally, meaning you earn a fair rate regardless of your location. All right, so guys, remember to actually get started, you want to go to lst.ai/jobs, and also you want to go to telusdigital.com/careers to actually get started. At site number 4, we have OpenTrain AI. These platforms connect you directly with clients needing data labeling and AI training. It is a fantastic freelance approach to annotation. So guys, unlike traditional platforms, OpenTrain AI lets you submit your own price, your desired rate. Alright, so when bidding on jobs, and this gives you control to charge a rate that gets you closer to that $100 per day goal. So finally, we bring it back to a platform that consolidates all of these works, bonus site, which is the site number 5, Upwork. So guys, you simply use your experience from the first 4 sites to secure high rate freelance gigs. You don't search for data entry, you simply want to search for document formatting specialist or legal transcription specialist. Freelance writing, which is typing, also start at $15 per hour. So guys, you simply list your gig right here on the Upwork, and guys, you can simply earn loads of money using Upwork. All right, so guys, here is your logic income $100 per day plan. Number one, guys, you simply want to test your speed. You take a free online typing test. You simply want to aim for 60 words per minute. It is a minimum for speak right. All right, and number two, you want to pass one test. Simply go to GoTranscript or TranscribeMe and pass their entrance exam. You can't earn if you don't pass the test. And number three, you simply want to diversify. All right, apply to LSC for data annotation projects while completing transcription tasks on the TranscribeMe. This is how you quickly compound your income toward $100 per day. All right, and guys, the $100 per day is the target, not the starting pay. So guys, see the full disclaimer below. All right, so guys, which of these platforms are you taking the entrance exam for first? Let me know in the comments below.